Samsung shut its Google Stadia rival before it had a chance. Samsung PlayGalaxy Link, the game streaming service that never was. When Samsung PlayGalaxy Link launched its beta a few months back, it was admittedly with little fanfare, but the announcement of the game streaming service's incoming closure has been even more quiet. Loading up the PlayGalaxy website now presents an apologetic notification for the service, stating that, after many difficult discussions, PlayGalaxy Link will be ended on the 27th of March 2020 due to internal policy changes. PlayGalaxy Link had been launched as a cloud gaming service exclusive to Samsung Galaxy smartphone, though we largely assumed it would roll out to other Android phone ranges in the future. Back when Fortnite first launched on Android, Samsung Galaxy handsets were the first to get it, and we didn't expect Samsung would restrict the audience of the platform forever. Either way, PlayGalaxy Link is closing, so any Samsung Galaxy owners who had signed up to the beta will lose access to the service after March 27th, as per the announcement. It's unclear exactly what's being referred to by internal policy changes, but it's likely that PlayGalaxy Link became less of a priority for the electronics manufacturer given the momentum of its competition. It's a tough time to be launching a game streaming service, to be fair. Google Stadia is taking up the attention of most gamers interested in a dedicated streaming service, with the existing PS Now platform and Microsoft's in the works Project X Cloud offering plenty of other avenues to play games through the cloud. While PlayGalaxy Link never made it out of beta, it's clear that cloud gaming is very much here to stay.